How's everyone doing today? I'm going to do a quick review of my Snap-on box I picked up a few years ago. About 3 foot 5 inches wide by 3 foot 10 inches tall. Does have one end pivoting casters, one stationary, fold down top lid with a lock. Top end is fairly deep. Access spots on both sides. Got the Snap-on Verus Pro there. Updated to 16.2. Do have 6 drawers. They do have the slide lock. So if you do not slide that, your handle will not open. The only thing I will say is I wish they had the slam style doors that shut a little bit better instead of slamming. But your tools do stay fairly well in where you put them at. Now, I don't have the best tool set out there. Only been wrenching for about 10 years. A few years in a couple shops. But good amount of storage. Good deep bottom den. A lot of space. Not really much else. You do have the options for a handle on either side. Down here, I do still have the handle, have not had to use it. So yeah, Snap-on. They are expensive, but they are nice boxes. Have a great day. Let me know if you'd like some videos on the Snap-on Verus Pro. Anything else. Just started this YouTube channel, trying to get some videos out there. Y'all let me know what you think. Have a great day.